देश में चल रही आर्थिक मंदी के चलते वित्त मंत्री निर्मला सीतारमण बड़ी घोषणाएं कर रही हैं। शुक्रवार को इस कड़ी में सीतारमण ने जीएसटी काउंसिल की बैठक से पहले गोवा की राजधानी पणजी में प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के दौरान कॉर्पोरेट टैक्स में छूट की घोषणा की। वित्त मंत्री ने घरेलू कंपनियों के लिए कॉर्पोरेट टैक्स में लगभग 10 से 12% की कमी का ऐलान किया। उन्होंने कहा कि नया टैक्स रेट चालू वित्त वर्ष से लागू होगा। सरकार ने नई मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनियों को भी कर में 12% की कटौती के जरिए बड़ी राहत दी है। वित्त मंत्री निर्मला सीतारमण ने कहा कि हम घरेलू कंपनियों और नई घरेलू मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनियों के कॉर्पोरेट टैक्स दरों को घटाने का प्रस्ताव करते हैं। टैक्सेशन में और वित्तीय राहत के उपाय किए जाएंगे। इस बैठक में उनके साथ वित्त और कॉर्पोरेट मामलों के राज्य मंत्री अनुराग ठाकुर भी मौजूद थे।
We today propose to slash the corporate tax rates for domestic companies and also for new domestic manufacturing companies. There are other fiscal reliefs also which we are bringing about. And this set of amendments are being brought about in the taxation laws through an ordinance which we will pass, which is actually passed only probably a couple of minutes ago. And these amendments to the Income Tax Act 1961 and the Finance Number 2 Act of 2019. I'll now give you the salient features of what these proposed tax rate cuts are. Number 1, in order to promote growth and investment, a new provision has been inserted in the Income Tax Act with effect from fiscal year 2019-20, which allows any domestic company an option to pay income tax at the rate of 22%, subject to condition that they will not avail any exemptions or incentives. The effective tax rate for these companies shall be 25.17%, inclusive of all surcharges and cess. So the effective tax rate for these companies shall be 25.17%, inclusive of all surcharge and cess. An important aspect here to add is also such companies shall not be required to pay any minimum alternative tax. No MAT on them. No MAT will be applicable on them. So this is the first. The second, in order to attract fresh investment in manufacturing and thereby provide a boost to Make in India, another provision has been inserted to the Income Tax Act with effect from fiscal year 2019-20, which allows any new domestic company incorporated on or after 1st October 2019, making fresh investment in manufacturing an option to pay income tax at the rate of 15%. This benefit is available to companies which do not avail any exemptions or incentives and commences their production on or before 31st March 2023. So they should commence production on or before 31st March 2023. So new companies which are getting incorporated 1st October 2019 or after, which also commences its production on or before 2023, 31st March, can avail of this at 15% rate. The effective tax rate for these companies shall be 17.01%, inclusive of all surcharge and cess. Again, in this case too, also, such companies shall not be required to pay any MAT. I move to the third. The effective tax rate for these companies shall be 17.01%, inclusive of all surcharge and cess. 17.01%. And also again, such companies shall not be required to pay any MAT. I move to the third. A company which does not opt for the concessional tax regime and avails the tax exemption or the incentives shall continue to pay tax at the pre-amended rate. However, these companies can opt for the concessional tax regime after expiry of their tax holiday or exemption